I say I don't want to see you no more. You keep coming around my house and knocking on my door. And with a little help from my friends, will I be fighting fit right through to the end? Cause I don't want to hear your shit anymore. Whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. My favorite bar, you know, the one where you hit me round the head with a fucking jar. I'm so sorry that I've handled this so bad. Ooh, but darling, can't you see you're making me mad? I've wanted this more than I would like to admit. So I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to say that this is it. So thought you were clever, you took everybody on in the stormy weather. Well, now look where you are, your years behind me, you haven't got far. You think in your little mind I'll follow you and treat you kind. Well, I suppose you think you're right as usual, so carry on, whatever.